Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And this is another part of this video. When you bring this in, this is a text. And earlier I was having trouble joining them and I had to finagle them around. Well, somebody even sent me a message off my Facebook page or off YouTube video, all in Spanish, and I had to translate it. And he basically said, and he's right, go to object and convert it to a curve. This one's already a curve, but the other one is a font. And you can go to object and convert it to a curve. Then if you have snap to object on, it'll snap right to it when you're building this. So if you will just grab, let's zoom in here a little bit. If you will just grab that corner node and it'll snap right to it and you're done. So this is pretty cool design for making borders and everything. And I like it. And I hope you find it useful. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do with this. I mean, there's countless drawings, clip arts that are vector that you could use and just Control D and make a duplicate of this guy, holding down the control button and flip it. And then let's try this again. Let's try it. It is a font. So let's select both of them and convert them to curves. Basically, the line's already gone and maybe snapped to itself. It kind of, well, it didn't because I had them so close. But just grab that corner and then it's going to snap right to that other node. There's a lot you could do with this. Let's just keep going. And now that, I didn't mean to do that. Let's group these together, Control G, and then Control D and make a duplicate of this guy and just move it over. And let's see if it doesn't just snap to it again because they're already nodes and already curves. That's a pretty cool design. You could keep that going forever. And there might even, well, it wasn't designed to be doubled like this. So let's just try another corner real quick. Let's get rid of these two guys. Let's bring that one back in and there's probably a corner for each one of these. That's opposite corner. But you know what? That would be a bottom corner. So let's convert it. If you'll look, they're both text. Go to object, convert it to a curve. So we can snap to it. Snap to is very good and very helpful. I mean, look at that. And then we could Control D and make a duplicate. Actually flip this one over and have it snap right to that. I used the crop tool earlier and I keep hitting it. So I want to thank that viewer for reminding me that you can convert it to a curve. Now let's do one more. I just can't stop. Let's flip it on itself. I mean, look at that design. I'm not going to say you ever use that, but that's pretty cool. Anyway, so I thank that viewer and muchas gracias, senor.